In this video, I will guide you on how to make a photo full screen on an Instagram story. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. And make sure that you are on the story tab. Now from your gallery, you simply want to select a picture. As you can see, this image is not full screen on Instagram. So to make it full screen, you want to use two fingers to zoom in, adjust until the photo fills the screen. Now you want to drag to reposition if that is needed. Once that is done, you can make the final adjustments. Once you're happy with the result, tap on the Your Story option. Now wait for some time. After the story has been uploaded, simply open it, and as you can see, the story now appears to be full. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.